Hello, students. Welcome to the science class. Yesterday we had started the new chapter that is cloths. So today also we will continue with the chapter. So today mainly we will learn about the cloth fibers. So today the chapter you are doing now, that is the chapter 5 of your book, that is the cloth. Okay. So uh, these are the different method or different types of fibers, different types of cloths, which are of can be made up of different types of fibers. So these are made by weaving or knitting the fibers, as you can see here, by weaving the fiber or knitting the fiber. And also these fibers are basically what? These are basically the small threads, thin threads. These are woven together to get the patterns. Here you can see woven can be done by two ways. One is weaving and another one is the knitting. Knitting, you are very familiar, everybody's home, like most of the people, they have seen the knitting process. And weaving is also another process by which the fibers are made into different types of patterns. Okay, so these are the different types of fibers which we are trying to show you, so that you can be very clear about the understanding. Now there are different types of fibers, so amongst which the first one is the natural fiber, and the second one is the man-made or the synthetic fiber. So the fibers here are classified into two categories. One is the natural fiber, another one is the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber means which we artificially prepare, which is manufactured artificially, are called as the synthetic fiber. So the natural fibers are of two types. One is the plant fiber, another one is the animal fiber. Okay, so what are the different types of fibers? Already it has been shown here. See, these are the natural fibers. This is the natural fiber, and here you can see this is the synthetic fiber. Okay, so here also different types of fibers you can see. The different types of fibers you can see in this picture. You can zoom it and see different types of fibers are given to you. So these are the cloth fibers. So here we have to remember two things very well. One is obtained by the nature, or from the nature, which is given by the nature, which is obtained from the nature. These are the natural fibers. And natural fibers definitely are of two types. One is given by the plant, another one is the given by the animals, and another one is the synthetic fiber, that is can obtain synthetically artificially by man-made procedure. Here you can see the picture of the natural fabrics, that is the which are being produced from the natural fibers. Okay, here see. So what we can see natural fiber, it is the fiber which is obtained from the animals and the plants. Okay, so this natural fiber is obtained from animals and plants, are known as the natural fibers. Okay, and here you can see cotton, here you can see jute. These are all examples of the natural fiber. Or here you can see the picture of the silkworm, which can produce the silk. So these provide us, so the plants generally provides us the cotton, linen, and animals are providing the wool. Where does it obtain? That is, it is obtained from the sheep. And silk, which is obtained from the silkworm. Okay, so the plant's fiber, here we can see the pictures, that is the cotton and the jute. And the animal fiber, which is obtained from the wool, that is given from by the sheep. And also the silk, which is given by the cultivation of the silk moth, or that is the silkworm. Okay, so these all are examples of the natural fiber. Okay, Now we can take the example of the man-made fiber. Now, what is the man-made? That is what can be prepared artificially. What are we preparing artificially are known as the man-made or the synthetic fiber. Okay, so synthetic fiber means the fibers which are produced by the humans from the different types of chemicals, that is from the laboratory, from the in the factory. Like if you think that the man-made fiber could be obtained in the home, it is not possible. We have to use different types of the chemicals in order to make the synthetic fibers, so they are produced in the factories. Okay, so the as they are being produced by man, they are called as the man-made fibers. So what are the examples? Say for example the lion, the nylon, then the polyester. These are all the synthetic fibers. Even we can use the rope of nylon, then the many things, even the polyester we can use for making different types of clothes. Then these are the synthetic fibers. In some way, when it is used in terms of some products, some goods, they are used, they are wisely to use the synthetic fiber because of its longevity or because of its toughness. Okay, sometimes we can use the synthetic fiber. Okay, so synthetic fibers, even you can see in the picture, these are also the different types of synthetic fibers. Okay, so these are also different types of the synthetic fiber. These are strong, as I had told yesterday. I mean, just now I had told that is due to its hardness, they are very strong, and also the longevity, that means they lasts for longer period of time. And another thing very important, if you wear synthetic dress, say for example synthetic cloth, even if your mothers wear synthetic cloths or you wear something synthetic fiber, you can see these are wrinkle free. Like in when we are wearing the cotton dress, we need to iron them properly, otherwise we can't wear them outside. But these synthetic fibers are wrinkle free, so it's very easy to use, and they are very stretchable. And during the monsoon especially, we are very much comfortable in using the synthetic fiber because they dry up very soon. Even if you are totally drenched, even if you go home and keep it under the fan for some time, it will get dried up very soon. So synthetic fiber also are very much in use. Okay, so we had seen in today's lecture about the natural fiber, types of the natural fiber, the characteristics of the natural fiber, and the and uses. And at the same time we had learned about the synthetic fiber, their types, their character, from where they, how they are obtained, and their characters. Okay, so in the next class again we will learn how to care about the cloth. So till then, all of you stay safe, stay well. Thank you.